Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So you can see the car Mercedes-Benz S-Class S500 V8 model petrol engine. We are open the wall cover for camshaft, and because the car have problem when morning we are going to start, noise coming from engine bank one side, and that is bank two side there is no issue. And so you can see that is part we going to replace the camshaft adjuster. You can see part number, that is original genuine Mercedes part going to replace, that is. And also replace the where is going, that's one adjuster. Okay, that's not adjuster like that, different name adjuster, that's not. And this is old one you're going to replace, this is old one. You can see problem. Okay, here the car is problem when we start in morning, the coming noise from engine bank one side. Like same is no engine oil in car, and also same issue sometime is if showing fault code on scanner, uh, games of position sensor like that also. Thank you, thanks for watching.